Guys, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to show you the Samsung Level U wireless Bluetooth headset which was brought from Flipkart. So the price of this one is 2399 rupees, so approximately 2400 rupees. So if you have any card, you will get 5 or 10%. So around you will get 2200 or 2100. So I will provide the link in the below description. Please go through it. So let us do unboxing. So I bought the Samsung Level U wireless Bluetooth headset. It's a blue color one. So there are other colors also available. Two more colors, black and other color. So see the Level U Bluetooth box. So simply and beautifully they have packed it. So let us see what are the content inside the box. So while doing this, so we will tell the features of this Level U Bluetooth headset. It is well sophisticated design, so comfortably fit in the ears, and it comes with more battery, so you will play back up to 11 hours of music, voice and calls, and 500 hours of standby time. Then it comes with Level app, which is very useful if you have a Samsung devices. So the next one is easy access controls and magnetic ear tips. So these headsets come with magnetic ear tips. So if you want to buy it, I will provide the link in the below description. Please go through it. Let us do what are the content inside in the box. This is the Level U Bluetooth headset. It comes with this stereo headset. So normally not normally headset. So but the cost is somewhat high compared to other manufacturers. So these are the manuals they are provided in the box. These are the ear tips. So extra ear tips they are given. So keep it there side, and these are the extra tips they have given. Three pairs of extra tips they have provided. And this is the headset, wireless Bluetooth headset. Comes with magnetic tips, ear tips, so it will attach or it will attract magnetically. It will connect like this. You will see in this video. So it's a very good battery life. So let us see the physical overview of this one. It comes with power button and volume up and down button. There you will see the microphone or charging port. Here you have three buttons: power button, volume up and down button. So in call facilities available in this Bluetooth headset. So you can call wirelessly using this method. This is the charging port where it will support charging of USB 2.0 USB port. So don't use other brand chargers to charge it, so it will damage it. So to take full charge of this headset, it will take 2 to 3 hours. So you see the ear tips, so they are magnetically connected. First you need to pair it to connect the devices. So once paired, it will automatically connected whenever you switch on the Bluetooth headset. So So this is one of the beautiful headset provided by the Samsung. So please buy it if you want to buy it. I will provide the link in the below description. Please go through it. Like this, I will upload a lot more videos about technology and unboxing videos. So if you liked my video, please subscribe my channel. So to get the newly uploaded videos about notifications, so please click on the bell icon side beside the subscribe button, so that you will get the notifications of newly uploaded videos. So please subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching my channel. Thank you. So this is the headset. I have bought it.